Hi. When we talk about mid-range salaries, it is a common thing to calculate their average values. Average may be a good method, but median is usually much better. How to calculate and present mid-range salaries you will find out in the following video.
We imported data about salaries in one IT company and added them to a simple table visual. When you drag and drop salary column into columns field of table visual, it will by default create an implicit measure sum of salary. We don't want that, so first let's remove implicit measure from the table. And next, we'll create explicit measure that calculates average of salary. After we drag and drop this measure into a column field, the table visual will present average salaries by jobs positions. As you can see, after CEO and CTO, software developers have largest average salary. There is a funny story. Some people eat bread and ketchup, some eat ham and mozzarella. So in average, are they eating pizza? Of course, this is far from truth. As you can see, average can be useful to calculate mean of some sets of data. But in this case, median is a more appropriate measure. Median is the value that statistically divides one set of data into two exact parts. We can calculate it in the following way. Let's add this measure to table visual. As you can see, in some cases, median and average are the same thing, but usually median is more precise measure. We can also present these data visually. Let's copy table visual and transform it to clustered column chart. If we remove MS from this chart and add a median line, you'll be able to see median of all salaries within the company. Now let's add a seniority slicer to get a full insight into the salaries. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.